Look at this set. What is given? Let us look at the info. 5 chambers, 1 to 5. Capacity is 200, 200, 150, 100, and 400 respectively. Connectivity is to the two-way channels of the following number: 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 2 to 5, 3 to 2, and 3 to 5. Let me draw this network diagram. Let's say 1 is here, 5 is here, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 2 to 5. Let's say 2 is here, 1, 2, 5, 3 to 2, and 3 to 5. So let's say 3 is here, 3, 4 is connected to 1, only 1. So we can have 4A. 4. 1 to 4, 1 to 5. 2 to 5. 3 to 2. 3 to 5. Requirements. Let's take the requirement in a different color. Requirements for 1 is 200. For 2 also 200. For 3 it is 150. For 4 it is 100. For 5 it is 400. Diagram made. Queen Jasmine has 4 categories of it: 1, 2, 3, 4. Each having 50 wins B is its category. The bee walked towards filling the chamber with nectar. Chamber 1, 2, 3, 4 can be reached directly from the place where the nectar is available. 1, 2, 3, 4 can be reached. So 5 cannot be reached. So 5 cannot be reached directly. So let me red mark it. But only by the bee of the category which has the name, okay, of the corresponding chamber. So 1 can be filled up by category 1, or 2 can be filled up by category 2B. A bee of a particular category, say X, can reach a chamber of its name only through the chamber X, but not through any other chamber. Fine. Each bee can carry 1 letter while filling it, and only if a particular chamber is filled, the bee fills the next chamber that they can reach. Okay, fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be filled up with 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 5 can be filled up by any of them, but after filling up its own chamber. The time taken by a bee to carry 1 liter of nectar to any chamber and the return is the same. Okay. Queen G wants all bees to work in such a way that the time at which chambers are filled is minimum. Okay, fine. So let us look at the problems now. How many chambers remain unfulfilled by the chamber 3 is full? Chamber 3 full. First of all, I can see chamber 3 takes how much? 150 unit times. And by that time, chamber 4 is definitely filled. 2 is not, 1 is not, 5 so can't be. Not only that, in 150 is filled, only 50 left. So I can assume in this way, first 100 minutes, let's say, 100 filled here, 100 filled here, 100 filled here. Next 50 minutes, 50 filled here. Next 50 minutes, 50 filled here. And this Bs who are available here, in next 50 minutes can make up for 1 also. So apparently looks by chamber 3 only 4 can be filled up, but actually if they work smartly, they can fill up 1 also. Okay. Next problem. Which category B did not enter chamber 5? 3 will definitely. 2 will definitely. 1 will also. 4 will not, as there is no connection between 4 to 5. Option B. No connection between 4 to 5. Next problem. The maximum number of trips made by the bees for any one category has to be the chamber. Which one? For which chamber maximum number of trips are required? Well, for 1, for Acha. For 3, we have seen 3 trips. For 1, we also have seen 3 trips. For 4, 2 trips. 1 require extra 50, which is coming from 4. So with 3 trips, 1 can be filled up. With 3 trips, 2 trips, 4 can be filled up. With 3 trips, 3 can be filled up. 2 requires 4 trips. So S is 2. 5 is not there in option. No, 5 is there in option, but 5 will be done with all of them. So after the 3rd minute, 50 can go from here. And after the 3rd minute, 50 can come from here, 50 can come from here. So 150 at a time. So 3 trips will not be required. Okay. So 2 is the answer. Time taken by any bee to carry 1 liter of nectar to any chamber and return is half an hour. What is the total time taken by the all bees to fill up chamber 1 to 5? So we have seen 3. First 3 trips, 1.5 hours, all 3 filled. 2 hours, all of them filled. So within 2 hours, all filled up. And within 2 hours, half an hour, all 3 can come here. For half an hour, all 3 can come here. So 150 filled up. And next hour, all 200 can come. Should we do it in a different way? First 1.5 hour, 1, 2, and 3 filled up. First 2 hour, 2 also filled up. Within first 2 hours, 150 units can be accommodated here. Next 1 hour, 200 can be accommodated here. Is it filled up then? Why then? Okay. So what we can do here, first half an hour, first 1.5 hour means 3 units of time. This 3 will be filled up. Then extra Bs of category 4 cannot go. Acha. After that, next half an hour, first 3 units filled up here, 3 units filled up here, 2 units filled up here, 1 extra went here. Now, next half an hour, all can come from here, all can come from here. So how much we'll get? 100. After that, 50 from here, 50 from here, 50 from here. Okay. Understand the concept here. Category 4 can go to 1 but cannot go to 5. Because any category of B can go to only to the immediate next. There should be a direct connector. So first 1.5 hour, all 3 filled up. So next half hour, but 2 hours it will take 2 hours to fill up this. So last half hour of first 2 hour, last half hour of first 2 hour, only 2 categories are contributing here, and the contribution will be 100. 50 each. Now, beyond 2 hours, all 3 can contribute 50 each. So every hour 150 will come. So 2 hours, 300 another will come. So within 3 hours, all will be filled up. So this will be filled up in 1 hour. This will be in 1.5 hours. This will be in 1.5 hours. This will be in 2 hours. And the final one will be in 3 hours. Option C.